Hi, my name is Zeyun Lu. I'm a final year PhD student in Biostatistics at the Department of Population and Public Health Sciences at Keck School of Medicine of USC. In our program, we have 4 tracks of research. My research track is statistical genetics. I'm working with Dr. Nicolas Mancuso. My research interest is to develop new computational and statistical methods to better understand the genetic architecture of complex disease. Specifically, we want to leverage the genomic data from multiple populations to help better understand the causal target responsible for the complex disease. The reason why I came to USC is that the statistical genetics research in our program is really strong. We have great faculties and resources so that we can perform cutting-edge research to facilitate public health. During the first year of your PhD student, you usually take 2 courses per semester to maintain as a full-time student. And then at the end of the first year, you will take your screening exams. As a senior PhD student, at my final year, I usually spend most of the time doing research. One course I highly recommend is the data analysis course. The most favorite part is the linear mixed model with Dr. Sandy Echo. She combines theory and application of linear mixed model in a very smart way so that our students can understand the materials very well, and we can apply this part to our daily research work. USC is a well-renowned university in the country. The most enjoyable part of being in Trojan is that when I travel across the country, when I wear the Trojan shirt, so many people say "fight on" to me, and I feel really proud of that. The highlight of my time here at USC is last summer. With the help of my advisor, Dr. Nicolas Mancuso, I got my first authored paper published, which is a great achievement to me, and all my family is very happy about that. And then later that year, I traveled around the countries to attend the conference, and then I met some big names in our field. And when I introduced myself, they said, "Oh, I knew you. I read your paper before," which is very motivated and inspiring to me. And I want to do more research on this field and to expand the scientific world.